Hello, today just right after my work and heavy rain with strong wind, falling heavy rain outside. So I come over here to very near my living place, or you can see some seaside for heavy rain on the seaside. But now just slightly, somewhat less than heavy. Then just right after my work, now just slide some overlay, some things. So I think it's fine. I think it's good to hear, and I came to here to see rain on the seaside. So I want to share it with you. Even rain over here, so many people come out and they're having a time. They enjoy time to seaside. Okay, I'll share with the seaside over here. Okay, on the sea. You can see over here. Let's try to see. Yeah. Even the rain outside, but many people come out, enjoy some of the time. Some people to swimming in the sea, and some people to take a photo near to the Pangnim Tower. It's one of the remarkable place. Yeah. Today are very meaningful in Vietnam, special day. As I already some on reporter with some I write down a sentence about what date today's special meaning in Vietnam. Actually, 50th of May, and Lunar Calendar Day, the first half of the this year, the same as Tet holiday, the second half of the year starting first day, so that everyone who are the friend and the family are getting together, having eating some together with many people. And today they have a wishes, good lucky, and last of this year. Okay. Alright. It's now getting stopped to rain on the sea. So you can see the some part of darkness, some part of is getting some little of cloudy on the sky. Here. Okay. Alright. The many wishes you got. I think starting this year you got already make plan, so that the hopefully try to make successfully prosperity after of this year. Your dream come true in this year. As you plan, everything's going with you smoothly and fine. Okay. Have a good day. Have a good second half of the year, second mid of that day in Vietnam. Share with you. Okay. Have a good evening. Bye bye.